Calix! We wish you a very happy birthday. Sana ay kung ano man yung pipiliin mo ay meron na siya siguradong person na may God always bless you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Calix. Laging mabait, ha? Sumunod sa magulang. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Calix. Sana, God bless you always. Saka, yun lang. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Calix.
Okay, God bless, God bless.
Happy
18th birthday, Calix.
Happy birthday, Calix! Mag-aral mabuti. Love ka namin. Ni Tida. Love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Be. Galingan mo lagi sa ginagawa mo. Nandito lagi si Tito sa'yo. One call away mo lang si Tito, sabihin mo na pag-ilaan mo.
Happy birthday, Queen. Happy 18th birthday, happy legal age. Enjoy your day, galingan mo palagi sa school mo. Good luck palagi. Galingan mo lagi. God bless. Happy birthday, ate. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Hi, Calix! Happy birthday! Grabe, 18 ka na. May this day be the start of an amazing journey filled with hope, dreams, and everything that your heart desires. We are proud of you and continue to be the sweetest daughter to your mom and dad. Hope to see you soon. Love you!
Hi, Calix. Happy birthday. Welcome to adulthood. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday! Okay na to.
Happy birthday, Calix. I'm super duper proud of you for being a strong, independent young lady. Stay pretty, just like your tita. Happy birthday!
Hello, Calix. Happy birthday, Be. Happy 18th birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana maayos yung maging college journey mo para sabay tayong mag-ibang bansa. Sabi nga ng tita, di ba? Sabay-sabay tayong magpipinsan na mag-ibang bansa. Ayun, I wish you good health, tsaka sana maging successful ka sa buhay, and enjoy your birthday. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Calix. Wish you good health and ingat ka pa palagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Calix.
Wishing you all your heart desire. Enjoy.
Hi, Ate. Happy 18th birthday. 18 ka na. Welcome to adulthood. I'm so proud of the person you've become. And I hope your year is filled with new opportunities and new unforgettable memories. Keep chasing your dreams and never stop being you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Calix. 18 ka na. You've grown so much and have been through a lot. And I just want to say that I am very proud of you. You truly deserve all the love, happiness, and good things this world has to offer. Thank you for being my best friend, my cousin, my sister, and my constant source of love and support. I cannot thank you enough for all the things that you've done for me. We've been with each other's side since we were little, and I wouldn't trade that for anything else. As you step into this new chapter of your life, adulthood and college, I know that you'll continue to shine and achieve so many great things. I am so grateful to call you not just my cousin, but truly my sister at heart. So here's to more movie dates, tawanan, sleepovers that will always be part of our lives, and all the memories we'll continue to make together. Love you. Happy birthday.
Ate Calix, love you.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Calix. Happy 18th birthday. I miss you na. I love you.
Happy birthday, Calix.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Calix.
Happy birthday, Ate Calix.
Ate Calix,
18th birthday! You are now a young lady. Always take care of yourself. And you know we always love you and here for you. Yeah. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! One more happy birthday to you!
Hi, Ate Calix. First of all, I want to greet you happy 18th birthday. Thank you for growing up into such a wonderful lady. We watch you grow up. Ikaw yung kauna-unang baby namin. And I'm very proud of you. I hope you achieve all of your dreams and all of your aspirations. And stay as you are because you are wonderful that way. And I hope that if you would change, it would always be for the better. So, Ninang would always be here for you. Kapag may mga questions ka, I'm just here. So, I hope everything you wish for would come true. And again, happy 18th birthday. And we love you.
Hi Calix, happy birthday. Galingan mo lagi sa school mo. Lagi mo mamahalin si mommy and daddy mo. Dream big, saka pray hard. And mag-ingat ka lagi. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Calix!
Happy birthday, Calix! Congratulations on turning 18. Wow! Officially an adult. So, just be the best version of yourself. Mag-enjoy, have fun, but take care of yourself. And may God bless you.
Happy
Bye.
birthday!
We love you. Bye.
Happy 18th birthday, Calix. And I thank the Lord for giving you life. And Tita Ness loves you so much. And I pray that you will continue with your life journey, study well, dream high, so you would be able to achieve whatever your goals in life. And please know that you will always have a family in me, in us. And I'm so happy na kayong magpipinsan ay not just cousins but good friends as well. So please take care of yourself. Ingat-ingat sa pagbabiyahe, pagpunta sa mga school activities. And just it. Continue praying so that God will continue to bless you with your knowledge and wisdom that you need as you go on with your life. I love you, Bear. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Calix. Na ang bilis mo naman lumaki. 18 years old ka na. Sana this new chapter in your life, more joy pa, exciting adventures, all the happiness that you deserve. Know that I'll always be here for you, cheering you on every step of the way. And of course, your mommy, your Ninang Jenny, and your Ninang Min is also with us as you go through your journey of life. Hugs and kisses. Love you, Calix.
Hi, Calix, my dear inaanak. I'd like to greet you a happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day. I know you are in Boracay. Enjoy the beach, enjoy your time with your mom, and have a great life, okay? Happy birthday!
Hi, Calix! Happy 18th birthday! Dalaga ka na. Alam ko, happy ka sa araw nito. Wish ni tita na sana anuman ang pangarap mo sa buhay, matupad lahat. Ingat lagi. Salamat pala sa pagmamahal mo kay Kim na para na kayong magkapatid. Lagi mong tatandaan. Mahal ka namin. Love you, Calix. Happy birthday!
Hi, Calix. Happy birthday from Sophia and Miggy.
Wow! You're now 18. Happy birthday, young lady. Just keep enjoying. Dance and sing on your birthday. Happy birthday! Bye!
Bye!
Hi, Be! Happy 18th birthday! Ngayon, 18 years old ka na.
you can make your own decisions na adult decisions. I wish you all the best in life. Wish ko maging matupad lahat ng dreams and aspirations mo. Andito lang kami lagi ng mga ates mo to help you and guide you. Huwag kang mahihiyang magsabi lang sa amin if nahihirapan ka or need mo ng advice. Andito lang kami lagi for you. Love you, Be. Hope to see you soon. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy 18th birthday, Calix. I hope you have an amazing year, and God bless you, and I wish you all the best, and hopefully I'll get to meet you soon in the future.
Happy birthday, Bes! Super happy ako na you're growing into a very God-fearing and very kind daughter, cousin, friend, and everything. And we wish you many, many more blessings. And we're just very happy and very proud of you. Our future veterinarian, Dr. Calix.
Very nice.
Sana just be more passionate with anything you do, and we're just here to support you at any cost. We love you. Happy birthday.
Congratulations on turning 18. Happy 18th birthday, Calix. Your mom is very proud of you, what you achieved. Once again, happy birthday. Study hard and reach your goal.
Happy birthday, Calix. I love you.
Hello, Calix. Happy birthday. Dati, baby ka pa. Now, you're a pretty lady. Sana pagpatuloy mo ang kabutihan ng pag-uugali mo, anak. Continue your study and alam ko, lagi kang nasa top, at sana maging matagumpay ka at lahat ng mga balak mo, lahat ng mga goals mo, i-continue mo lang, anak. Continue your passion at ingat ka lagi sa pagpasok sa school, sa pag-uwi. Lagi namin dinadasal ang iyong kaligtasan at ang iyong magandang kalusugan. Happy 18th birthday, Apo. All love you, Calix. God bless you always. Happy 18th.
Happy 18th birthday sa iyo, Calix. Sana itong kaarawan mo ay sobrang ikaw ay masaya. At kapiling mo ang marami sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Hangad namin lagi ni Mamu ang iyong kaligtasan at dasal namin lagi ang sa iyong pag-aaral na sana makayanan at matapusan mo yan. Sana abutin pa namin ang iyong pagtatapos para nandiyan kami, makarating kami diyan sa lugar na yan. Happy birthday at sana sobrang saya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. God bless, Calix.
Hi, Calix. Hello. Happy birthday, apo ko. Aral lang na mabuti. Dito lang kami ng mami mo, mga tita mo, mga pamangkin ko, ay mga apo ko, sorry. Mga tito. Dito lang kami nagmamahal sa'yo. God bless you and I love you, Calix. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hi, Calix. Miss na kita.
Alam ko, magiging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. It's your 18th birthday. Medyo may nararamdaman lang ko sa katawan ko. Kaya pasensya ka na. Absent ako dyan. Pero lagi kang nasa isip namin. Makihalubilo ka, makipagsaya ka dyan sa mga bisita mo. Enjoy your day. Happy, happy birthday. God bless you.
Hi Marian, how are you? And I'm pretty sure you're really excited. And also your parents are really excited for you. Because unang-una, it's your birthday. So it's not just your birthday, no? I would like to wish you a happy 18th birthday. So ayan, 18th birthday is a new milestone towards another chapter in your life. So syempre, I wish nothing but the best for you. Unang-una, all your dreams, lahat ng pangarap mo, everything that you wish for, I wish that it will come through the soonest, and not just because it's your special day, but also for the rest of the days to come. So always remember and always keep in mind, this is a new journey and a new milestone for you. So just go ahead, make your dreams come true. Everything that you want in life, I'm pretty sure you will succeed. So once again, wishing you a happy, happy 18th birthday. Always take care, study hard, study well, love your parents, and listen to your parents always. Ingat!